Smoking also increases your risk of having cervical cancer as a woman. I know you are surprised because on Friday you went out and you smoked like 2 cartons of cigarettes, and also some people took in a lot of shisha. But I'm here, the breaker of bad news, to explain to you why smoking will increase your risk of having cervical cancer. Now, smoking does a lot of things to the body, and the first one is to weaken your immune system. We all know that when your immune system are weakened, then it means there is a chance for every infection to make its way to your body, and hence cervical cancer, the HPV viruses, will spread very fast in your body. That's the first way. Another way is that as you smoke, the tobacco that you are smoking, especially you Ama that you like shisha, the tobacco you are smoking contains a lot of carcinogenic substances, which at the end of the day will make sure that your oncoproteins are increased, and hence your tumor suppressor genes will also go down. Then hence you are going to have a lot of cancer cells proliferating in your body. One thing that smoking also does to your body is that it causes what is called DNA damage. If this thing happen, it means that your cells, which are supposed to grow normally, will begin to grow abnormally, and if that happens, your guess is good as mine. You are going to have cervical cancer, especially if you're having the high risk HPV viruses. That's the HPV 16 and 18. Voila, you know your guess is good as mine. Also, smoking will do another thing to your body, which is very, very important for you to know. That's smoking also reduces the mucus plug of your cervical tip. So it means that your cervical mucus, the composition will now be altered. And if that happens, it means that any organism or any infection that moves from your outer vagina will now enter into your cervix, and hence it will have effect on your cervix. If you have HPV infection, you can just imagine you are going to have cervical cancer. One last thing is the reactive oxygen species that is being produced during smoking. There is something known as reactive oxygen species, which are oxidants which make sure that they cause a lot of damage to the cells of your cervix, and with this coupled with HPV viruses, your risk of having cervical cancer is high. Make sure you get checked, make sure you get screened this month, because cervical cancer is very, 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 very curable and is treatable. Also, it is one of the deadly cancers in women. This is Connect Dr. Greg. Make sure you like this video, share and follow this page. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.